Just a quickie, okay? This may end up on YouTube, this particular footage, and at the end, I might pick a camera up and then turn it round and point it towards the crowd. So if any of you here have been on Crime Watch recently, or anything like that, okay, this is now the time to sort of like blur your face out, you know, if you can do that. So I'm just going to do a little bit, which I have to do for my camera. That's why I'm going to look a bit crazy. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with Sawstop. Now, Sawstop have arrived in the UK and Europe, been 20 years in the US saving fingers. I've been really lucky to be asked to come along, spend some time. I've got the saws out on site. You may have seen them in earlier videos. Michael is running Sawstop here in the UK and Europe. He's going to do the demonstration. You have to see this. It's something else. Anyway, I'll hand over to you, but I might interrupt.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I've got my sausage ready for the demonstration.
Again.
Yeah. But in all seriousness, I started with Sawstop around a year ago, and I didn't know much about table saws before then. It was only really when I started looking into table saws and hearing from people about the type of accidents that happen that it really got me understanding how important our mission is to inspire and protect woodworkers. So I'm really proud that we're here today with products that have been in North America for over 20 years, and has made us #1 in North America. So I'm really proud to be able to bring these products here and then do demonstrations like this with you guys today.
Yeah, and it's amazing because I've learned a lot in the last few months since I've been chatting with you as well, especially some of the statistics. In the US, over 49,000 people a year are injured or suffer amputations, something like 1 every 9 minutes, I think Matt said. And also there's a story about the image on the outside of the Sawstop truck.
Yeah, I mean, so I'm a beginner woodworker, and I have to be honest, right? Table saws scare the life out of me, right? I don't have a lot of experience, right? But it really doesn't matter how much experience you've had. That guy, that image, right, is a guy called Dennis in the US, and he had 30 years of shop experience. One day, he's at his saw, he's doing everything right, he got a kickback, and his push stick broke in two, and his hand went into the blade. He lost an index finger and half a thumb. He had to go to hospital. He had 4 operations, 7 weeks in hospital, 23 weeks off work. And we met a guy just last week who had had 2 fingers cut off. He managed to get them sewn back on, but he's having so much problems now with phantom pain, with not sleeping. He can't do his work properly, and he's actually thinking of getting those fingers taken back off again. Can you imagine, right? The impact of that on his life and his work.
And I don't think you can deny it, but if you're in the industry like me, I've been self-employed since I was about 21. I was forced into it. There was no jobs. There is no real jobs that will pay you enough to get a decent mortgage, especially in the southeast. You need to be self-employed. What happens as soon as you need to take a day off? We don't take days off sick. You know, we limp in with man flu. You injure yourself, you're forced to take a day off. It's not long before you're financially in trouble. So yeah, it's a nightmare.
And you know, it's kind of like a rite of passage. A lot of people say that, right? Everybody knows a woodworker who's had an accident, had a near accident. It's kind of like, you know, your father has had one. We work with power tools all the time. It's dangerous. It's kind of accepted, right? But we really shouldn't have to accept this anymore. For 20 years, we've been having this technology, and so now is the moment at which we're able to make life safer for many more people.
Yeah, and it's really interesting about how it all works as well. So even I know some of this, but the basics I know is that this is always having a small voltage, 3 volts sent through the blade, and we act as a capacitant. Tell them a bit more about that.
Yeah, so your body has a lot of moisture in it, right? And we can, when your finger touches the blade, it changes the capacitance. We can see that signal, and then it detects, it stops, and it drops below the table in less than 5 milliseconds. So that's 10 times faster than the airbag in your car, and way faster than you could ever possibly react.
Yeah, and if you've seen the sausage test before as well, there's a reason we use a sausage, but what happens if you just tape the sausage to the timber?
Yeah, then it wouldn't go off. I mean, this is just for a demonstration, right? This is just to represent a finger. It's just a kind of an extension of my finger. Otherwise, you could kind of cut through it, and we've had that happen in the past, and people phone us up like, the demonstration went wrong.
Yeah, so this is actually a conductor all the time we're holding it. If you tape that to there and pushed it through, it's going to cut straight through it, which is incredible as well. So.
Yeah, for this demonstration, it's just a good representation. And like I say, we've been doing this for 20 years with incredible reliability. And when it stops, that blade is running at 4,000 RPM. It absorbs 1,000 Gs of force, and that's exactly the same technology that's in our smallest compact table saw over there to this biggest professional cabinet saw over here. And then, yeah, the last thing I want to tell everyone and make sure that the people are aware of is our brand in the US is equally well known for our reputation for quality, accuracy, customer service, as it is for the Sawstop technology. And so that's my mission here as well. We've built a team here in the UK who is always going to be on the phone, always able to help you. If you have an activation, we'll help you get back up and running. And if you do have an activation, for example, we can read the data in that cartridge and we'll send you a new one for free. And all we ask is tell all your friends that Sawstop saved your finger, and then you can be back up and running.
You can't say fairer than that.
Should we get along with the demonstration?
I think so. Let's go for it.
Right. So the saw is pretty intelligent. When I've turned it on, it's checking whether everything's safe and we're ready to go. I've got a green light, and so now this is just a demonstration. We have the blade up, set up ridiculously high. Please don't do this. This is just a demonstration. I should be using a blade guard as well. But yeah, we want everybody to see how fast this can go. So if you want to take videos, feel free to gather in. And let's get going. And it's as quick as that. And I went in fast, right? Because accidents don't happen in slow motion, right? So if you want to come and see.
Come and have a look at this sausage.
Now there's a small nick on that sausage, right? But we always say that you're now going to need a plaster and not a plastic surgeon, right?
It's amazing.
And so, you know, there was a moment before we came and make these products available, which, you know, you didn't have a choice. Now you have a choice. And so please think about what are you going to do right now? Now that this is available, now that we can protect woodworkers, we can make you sure that you're safe and enjoying your hobby all the time, or your profession. Maybe your apprentices can always be safe. And so, yeah, we'd really invite you to come and speak to all the people around here. We have Dan over there. We have Matt, our CEO. Robin knows a lot about the saws already now as well. We can tell you all about them. And I hope you make the right choice today.
So what will happen now, if you're interested, you can change it all over, because you're probably thinking about what's it damage has it done to the saw, of course. The saw can be back up and running in 5 minutes, sort of less than the time it takes you to calm down, have a cup of tea after doing that for yourselves. So
and a lot of people ask us a lot of questions. There's a lot of information on the internet about things like, can you cut wet wood, for example? Is this going to get in the way of my work? And the answer is really very simple, that we've been thinking about this for 20 years, right? These saws do not get in the way. They're designed to make life easy for you. You can cut wet wood, no problem. We've done it on your site, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I mean, the Sawstop guys have kindly let me have both of the site saws, and I've had them out on site. And because I'm not having to think about having to buy blades and all the rest of it, I've been able to be a bit ruthless with it.
Yeah.
And I haven't set it off accidentally yet, other than using one of these. So I'm pretty confident now, and I've picked up wet wood deliberately, wiped the wet off of it, gone through with it, of course, and it's been fine. So
and you can also test it, of course. You can put it in a bypass mode, you can test it in advance, and it'll give you a signal as to whether it would go off or not, and then you can choose what to do with that. And really the only issue is really with pressure treated wet wood. That we know is a problem. But since you know that, then you can make sure you can cut in bypass mode.
And before I end this video, because I know that there's going to be certain questions, like there'll be people saying, well, you should never get that close to the blade. Of course not. You should always use push sticks. You should never let your hands get this far forward. You should also not run the blade up, of course. You should have guards over wherever possible. So those are the questions that are going to come up. So if you've reached this far in the video, I've answered them. If you've asked a question I don't answer, it's because it's answered in the video that you haven't seen because you skipped it. But that's the nature of YouTube. And apart from that, I think there's people that are also going to ask how much are the replacement cartridges, how is the blade, so quickly run through that for us.
Well, that's a £29 blade. We have other blades going up to £99, but that's a relatively low cost. The cartridge is £79, but like I said before, right, if you have an activation and we save your finger, you can send that spent cartridge into us, we can read the data, we'll send you a new one for free. So we can't say fairer than that.
And I think all you ask is that people tell their friends.
Absolutely, tell everybody.
That it's saved. Anyway, that's wrapping that video up. Hope you enjoyed it. There's a few more on the channel. We're out on site using them as well. Michael's been out on site. We've done this test 3 times on 2 saws, so check it out. We've also got a video on there of changing the cartridge out on site as well. Thanks for joining us. Catch you again soon.